Dave collapsed on this pitch, having a cardiac arrest because of a defibrillator that the Premier League have put in. His mates were able to save his life. I mean, absolutely incredible story. The Premier League decided to fund thousands of defibrillators across the UK. And today we're meeting Dave, who found out firsthand just how important these machines can be. I'm really excited to introduce him to a very, very special guest as well. So let's go and do it. I'll keep up with him.
Come on, lads! Yeah, boys!
It was a normal Friday. We started playing at 2 o'clock, and apparently, about 8 minutes past 2, I was flat on the floor.
Phil, when did you first become aware that Dave was struggling?
And I heard somebody shout something, and I turned around, and he's just prone on the pitch. So that's when we started doing what we had to do.
Somebody started CPR. I found my phone and called 999. And at the same time, there's a defibrillator at the entrance to the club. And so I shouted for someone to go and get the defib. Another member connected the defib pads to Dave's chest, turned on the defib, and the defib starts explaining to you what it is that you need to do.
Yes! Yes! How are your emotions sitting here now with a couple of the guys that helped?
It's incredible. I will never ever forget it. I mean, it's just something that's changed my life forever.
Yeah.
Keeper's ball.
Yeah, I mean, to be doing this today is great because it's something that's close to my heart personally, in that I was playing in a football game not long ago, a veterans game over 40s, and one of the lads just suddenly hit the floor. One of the lads knew basic CPR, so he was doing the CPR while another guy grabbed the defibrillator. It was such an eye-opener for me to think that, you know, he could have been gone.
Leicester City. Now let's just have a look for Aston Villa.
Got a little surprise here.
Hey, Hope. How you doing, mate? You okay?
Hiya.
How you doing, guys? You alright? Good to meet you, Wes.
All right.
Nice to meet you.
Leicester City shirt,
Blimey.
jacket.
I can eat them.
Which way we playing? That way? Come on, Wes, get this defence organised. Is it just a light job?
No, it's absolutely incredible. You know, I think first and foremost, you know, these guys responding so quickly, and then getting the defib, you know, which was provided by the Premier League.
Not dying.
With every minute that passes without CPR and without a defibrillator in a cardiac arrest, the chances of survival reduce by 10% each time. Learn some CPR, learn basic life support, know where your nearest defib is, and don't hesitate to use it.
Yeah, we're really proud of the Defibrillator Fund. So back in 2021, when Christian Eriksen collapsed with a cardiac arrest, we took the decision to invest in 2,000 defibrillators. And we always said, you know, if it saves one life, it'll be an invaluable investment. And that's exactly what's happened. Dave's out there now, having a great time. His mates were there to help him do CPR. Absolutely fantastic.